parts of the body. In this video, we're gonna learn parts of the body in English. Make sure to watch the video till end. Head, forehead, eyes, nose, ear, tongue, eyebrows, eyelashes, lips. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Teeth, cheeks, hair, arm, shoulder, neck, chest, elbow, legs, hands, wrist, feet, fingers, nail, ankle, knee, back, belly. Now let's repeat and learn all parts of the body together. Head, ear, eye, hand, leg, foot, belly. And now we are entering into the quiz mode. Are you ready? Lips, foot, teeth, finger, nose. Hope so you passed the quiz. And don't forget to tell me your score in the comments and like the video.